Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your phone and frame are on the same Wi-Fi and signed into the same Frameo account. Once connected, open the Frameo app and choose the specific frame you want to manage. You do this because the app controls which images live on that device. Then tap the frame name to open its photo library. This puts you in the place where deletions are performed so you can take action immediately. Once in the frame's photo library, enter selection mode by long pressing one image or tapping select. This lets you pick multiple items quickly. Make your choices. Tap individual thumbnails or use a select all option for bulk removal, because deleting in groups saves time and reduces repeated confirmations. As you select, review the thumbnails to ensure you don't remove cherished images. Then proceed to the delete action, so the app cues those files for removal from the frame. After selection, tap delete and confirm when prompted. The app will sync those changes to the frame, and you should see freed storage space. Once done, make sure to check the frame's recent or trash area in case items are recoverable and to verify deletion. If photos reappear or won't delete, reboot the frame, verify the app has permission to manage media, and make sure both app and frame firmware are up to date. This fixes most sync or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.